First, insert your domain name and click on Generate the license. Once the license is created, you can download it by clicking on the Download button. After that, click on the MageNative WooCommerce mobile app CE213. Then, enter the code received in your email and click Submit. Go to your WP panel inside Plugins, then Upload Plugin and upload the MageNative WooCommerce mobile app CE213 file you have downloaded and install now. Plugin installed successfully. Then click on the MageNative Woo App menu created on the left side. Insert the license key, then validate. After that, you can set the options as per your requirement from General Options. From here, you can enable MageNative App, App Banners, New Arrivals, and Featured Products. It lets you hide out-of-stock products or enable Web View Checkout. You can set the number of products you want to display on the homepage. Choose the categories for displaying on top in homepage. Set custom link to homepage. Set time zone as per your location. From here, you can set details, deal title, start time and end time, link product and then add. And the same way you can do another deal. Enable QR code on product page. Enter the notification topic, select the version, select and apply theme. Click on Theme Settings to fill the theme name, theme color, theme text color, bar color, tint color, secondary color, theme color, dark mode, theme text color, dark mode. To upload the header logo, click on Choose File and Upload. In the same way, you can upload category placeholder, banner placeholder, and notification icon. Once you are done with all, click Save Theme Changes. Then select the theme MageNative. Then finally, under the General tab, click on Save Changes. Under the banner, you can set banner, enter the banner title, upload banner image, and choose where you want to display the banner, link, select product ID and save changes. To send push notifications, come under the Push Notifications tab. Click Add New. Enter the title, message, check Enable this notification, then upload an image, product ID, then save changes. Here you are, ready to select the notification you want to send, then apply.